Hey everyone, so there are a lot of different forms of land uses that contribute to increasing the temperature of local areas and ultimately leading to urban heat island. I think the most evident of them are lack of vegetation, human activities such as building roads, roofs, buildings, and transportation, and the urban geometry. If we look at this individually, uh, I think all of us are well aware that trees, lack of vegetation, and water bodies, trees, vegetation, and water bodies um, reflect a lot of sunlight and provide us with shade, provide us with oxygen, provide us with the necessary life forms that we need to survive. And replacing them with hard surfaces and rooftops uh, built with concrete only absorb heat, do not reflect it, raise the temperature of local areas, and provide us with less shade and moisture. And also, declining a rapid decline in the number of water bodies could also result in the lack of rainfall, unpredictable climate, and a lot more things that we do not want. Next, human activities. So, all vehicles running from petroleum, air conditioning units, buildings, industrial facilities, all of them emit heat, carbon dioxide, which trap the sunlight, do not let it escape. These greenhouse gases lead to global warming and ultimately lead to increase in temperatures of local areas. The last is urban geometry. Now, this is uh, one factor that is not really talked about very much, but the modern shape of buildings they actually influence wind flow and the urban materials' ability to absorb and release solar energy is tempered when the wind flow is affected. So, in heavily developed areas with just buildings all over the places, surfaces and structures are obstructed by neighboring buildings, and they, in a way, become large thermal masses that continue on absorbing heat and affecting natural factors, which in turn lead to global warming. Now, cities with many narrow streets and tall buildings are the most affected with such problems. And I think there are a couple of strategies to reduce urban heat island. One of them would be to plant more trees, use more green buildings, check that the energy we use is generated from renewable sources, reduce pollution, use public forms of transportation, and I think the most important that we need is awareness. We need to make people aware that the Earth has reached its maximum capacity, and we need to control the temperature if we want to survive. And trees and water bodies are extremely important for our survival, and just cutting them to populate people and build more buildings and roads isn't going to get us anywhere. Thank you.